In Ayurveda, our body is made up of दोष, धातु and बलव. दोष यानी वात, पित्त एंड कफ. इन तीनों एनर्जी से बना हुआ जो शरीर है, उनमें अगर इम्बैलेंस हो तो उसका इम्पैक्ट आपके धातुओं पे होता है. मैं डॉक्टर नूतन पाखरे, आयुर्वेद योग कंसल्टेंट, इस वीडियो में आपको 5 ऐसी चीज़ें बताने वाली हूँ जिससे आपका जो ये एंड प्रोडक्ट है शुक्र धातु यानी रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ कैसे अच्छी बनी रह सकती है उसके बारे में जानकारी दूंगी. फूड हैबिट्स. फूड इज गिवन top priority in Ayurveda. Medicine comes later. We are what we eat. This is well-known quote for all of us. But how much we are paying attention to our food? Or are we aware about what kind of food is suitable to us? हमारे शरीर की प्रकृति जो जन्म से ही हमारे साथ है, वो सेम प्रकृति एज के अनुसार बदलती रहती है और इसीलिए हमें हमारे खान पान में और एक्टिविटीज़ में बदलाव लाना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. जब आप इस बदलाव को जानोगे, जब आपके प्रकृति को जानोगे और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आप अपना फूड प्लान करते हो तो डेफिनेटली इट्स गोइंग टू हेल्प यू टू कीप योर रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ अप टू डेट. एक्सरसाइज. ज़रूरी ये है कि एक्सरसाइज एंड योगा बोथ शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफस्टाइल. You can choose your suitable activities or suitable exercise, but you have to do it regularly for the longer time. That is a condition which will give you result and health. Activities are needed to make your digestive fire become functional for you. When your digestive fire is functional, then only your each dhatus will be healthy and able to nourish to the next dhatu. Also, exercise plays very important role to detoxify your toxins, accumulated toxins in the body and mind. Hydration. Every body is made up of more than 75% of water. Now, how much water I should drink? Should I drink water before food, in between when we take food, or after food? It depends on your food patterns and your suitability. You just need to ensure you're not drinking too much water or too less water. Nowadays, when we sit for the work, we forgot to drink water. Or sometimes while taking food, in front of us screen is going on or we are watching something, in our hand we have mobile and we are drinking water unknowingly. We do not aware about what is going on simultaneously and how it is going to affect our digestion. Friends, one thing at one time. That's what our body also asks for us. So if you want that your reproductive health should be healthy, you need to pay attention to your intake of water and drink water appropriately and not too much or too less. Sleep. Sleep plays a very important role for our day-to-day activity. When you sleep, your system becomes more functional. If you are not able to address and work on that sleep, then you need to seek help from the professionals because sleep is very important. Ayurveda has given 3 important pillars of life, that is Ahar, Nidra and Brahmacharya. Nidra is nothing but your sleep. When we sleep and early morning when you wake up, you will find yourself rejuvenated. If you don't have that symptoms, then please pay attention what is missing. Mental health and emotional health plays a very important part for keeping your physical body healthy. Specifically in women. Women are going through tremendous stress and tension throughout her life. She has to go through certain changes and adaptation consistently. and that's why she may find herself emotionally disturbed on and off. So, address those issues and work on them on that time and just eliminate those points, then see your reproductive health will work promptly for you. So, just to summarize that what we have discussed: number 1 food, number 2 exercise, number 3 sleep pattern, number 4 hydration, number 5 your mental health.